Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can show or hide your subscriber counts on your YouTube channel, right? So that's what I'm going to show you, right? So if you come into here and if somebody is viewing your videos on YouTube, if you don't want them to see your subscribers, maybe you have fewer subscribers and you don't want them to see them, so you can hide them, or you can decide to if you want to show or hide them. So if you check into mine here, which is Kandowa Media, as you can see at this point I'm at 1067 subscribers. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and join the team. I would really appreciate that. But yeah, that's what I'm going to show you, how you can hide them or how you can show them, right? So yeah, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm already on my channel right here. So if you are like viewing it on YouTube, I'm on YouTube right here, I'm checking my video. So to access your YouTube studio, you just come up here to your icons here, to your logo icons here, right? And then this should open up, and then you should click on YouTube studio. That's where you have to go. Click on there, and now this is the YouTube studio. You are in your YouTube studio, right? So what you have to do is just come to click on setting here, and then when you're done, coming to this window should be opening up, right? Now click on channel here, and then once you do that, then click on advanced, right? Advanced settings right there. Then once this open up, just scroll down to here. So as you can see, mine is showing, right? So if you click unmark this, if you don't want to show them, you should unmark this, and then if you want to show them, you should keep it marked. So I'm just going to unmark it, since as I don't want to show them, and then click on save, right? You got that. So now let's jump into our video. Let's say we want to view our videos and then see if we can, if somebody is viewing our videos, and see if they can see it. So I'm just going to pull up my channel. Let's say Kandowa Media is here on a different, and then let's just view these new videos that I just uploaded, right? Just view that. Now if you come up here, you will see my subscribers are no more showing, right? Let me just pause this so you can see. So right, if you see that, now my subscribers are no more showing, right, since I unmark it in my YouTube studio. So to show them again, just come to settings, make sure you know YouTube studio, channel, and then click on advanced settings, and then scroll down to subscriber, right, and then save, mark that and then save, right? Once you save that, and then come back, if I refresh, let me just refresh this page, right, and let me pause this, and then once you scroll down, you will see my subscribers are now showing. So yeah, that's how you can show or hide your subscribers in your YouTube channel, or on your YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. Leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.